The Immersive Learning Initiative's talented team of volunteers has come a long way since Rhett reached out online for some way to help his brother Jeb, who has Down syndrome, learn to read. In the past year, they've gone from concept to concrete action, creating fantastical characters, bringing them to life with movement and sound, and coding educational gameplay designed to make reading fun and engaging. And now we're on the last sprint to our MVP, minimum viable product. That's tech talk for a really cool demo. But we need help, now more than ever.
To reach that goal, we need Unreal developers,
2D and 3D artists, and folks with sound design experience. Past volunteers in every department have gained valuable development experience by dedicating their time to this worthy cause. So even if you're a newbie in the game dev world, we need you. So reach out. Contact us and see how your unique contributions can help teach Jeb and many others the joy of reading.